Hi, you guys. I wanted to show you guys how to check what work you have due this week on Google Classroom. So you're going to go over up here, like you're just going to open up, of course, a Chrome browser or something. And then you'll click over here on Google Apps on the right-hand side, this little puzzle-like thing. Again, you'll scroll down to Google Classroom. Once Google Classroom is open right here, I'm going to put my little thing on here for you guys. Okay, and you're going to go ahead and find your class period. You'll click on it. Okay, you can see we're on the stream section of Google Classroom. We want to go to the classwork section. So once you click the classwork section, here's all your assignments. You want to look on the side right here, and here are the due dates. So you can pull open a little calendar and you can look to see what is due that week or on those days coming up right here. Okay, and if you forget right here, the gray button on the side, if it's gray like this, means you've already turned it in. So you can be like, oh, it's due August 10th, but hey, I already have it done. Oh, wait, this one is green, which means I haven't done it and it's due today. Uh-oh, I better do this assignment. Okay, thank you.